Knock, knock.
Guys, welcome back. All right, so today what we're going to be doing is I'm gonna be hanging out with my boy Louie. He has that wide body Scat. Basically gonna be doing like a little review on it. I'm actually gonna let him drive my Z as well, so that's gonna be the fun part. Is I'm gonna get his perspective on like the Turbo Z and everything like that, and see how he likes it. It's been raining a little bit, so let's see if I can flip it around. The ground is kind of wet. It rained yesterday, so we were supposed to film yesterday, but it actually started to rain, and with this car and having somebody that's never driven it before, I didn't want to like have someone drive it like on a rainy day and like something bad happen, car spin out, something like that, because it does have a lot of power on a rainy day. It's kind of useless. You don't want to race in the rain. Who does that anyway? All right, let's go meet up with that man, Louie. If you're a 370z owner, if the traction control is on, it won't let you do like anything. So you just like instantly gotta turn it off. Get next to the wall, get some good turbo noises. We got the Z, looking like a TIE fighter from Star Wars. But we're out here, we went for Louie. I'm in a good spot, I love this spot. If you guys are like an OG and you follow my channel, look at that crack. We ain't even talk about that. But if you follow my channel, you guys know that I always come here and film here. And back in the day, we used to throw a lot of meats here. But the people at the mall kind of got a little butthurt. People rev, you know, those guys. They rev and they ruin it, so can't really throw meats here anymore, but people still do it anyway, as you can see. Probably a bike or something, only one wheel. Or open dip. But yeah, that happened. We'll get into that in another video. Might have something coming for that. Stay tuned. But look how clean the Z's looking. Didn't even wash it, it rained. It's that Mother Nature hooking it up. I'll tell you what's next for the Z though. I need to get this 70s freaking DVD thing. I need to get this junk out of there. I need to put a touchscreen. So, like the video if you guys think I need to get a touchscreen. Also comment down below which ones you think I should get. I think I hear a Louie. There he is. Got Louie filming it on my Z. Got his Scat right here.
I thought these weren't supposed to be that comfortable.
Nah, they're comfy, bro. Look, he's tall, bro. We have to adjust this for him before he goes into drive, guys. But
oh, it feels good, dude.
yes, sir. I bet. No, I bet. Try to put them on, bro. They're probably gonna be hella short.
Let's see.
We got a giant in the car. Yeah, the tallest person I ever had in my Z. We out here. Louis is strapped in.
I'm strapped in, ready to go.
Yes, sir.
Baby.
He is ready.
Yes, sir.
I'm in the passenger. Let's get it. Yeah, it'll get a little warm.
All right. Let's see how I do, man.
See how he does. Let's see what happens.
First time ever driving a 370 or a JDM in general.
All right, let's see it. Let's see what you got, bro.
And let alone with the power and all the other stuff. So
yeah, you can do fine.
See how we do, baby. Damn, this clutch is springy.
Oh yeah. It's right at the top.
I'll take my time.
You're good. Do your thing. As long as you can get out of first gear with this car, you're pretty much good. I've only let one other person drive it. It was Manny.
Oh damn, I feel honored, bro.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I'm gonna try any like rev matching or anything.
Oh, yeah. So right now my rev match is broken because I burnt the harness when I was taking out my trans.
It had auto rev match?
Yeah, auto rev match. So that's not on it right now. So did you see like when you shifted in the fifth, it went whoop, whop.
911, what is your emergency? I hear shots! Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
It shot a big flame, I can guarantee you that right now, yeah.
So that was normal?
Yeah, it happens. When you miss a gear, it's gonna happen. I feel fine, dude. I feel comfortable.
A little nervous with me in the driver's seat.
Not really.
I'm doing all right.
You're doing good.
All right.
I trust you.
Yeah. That sound when you let off.
Sounds good, dude. Yeah, it's right there. So what are your impressions so far, bro? You liking it? Crazy?
I'm just like...
we gonna get a post after.
Like 60 in third gear.
Yep. Wants to kill you?
Yeah, dude, this thing is no joke.
Yeah, it's hard, dude. We're out here in the sticks.
Yeah, I was fourth, it was still.
Dude, it's gnarly. It's big, dude. It's crazy.
That's why I never hopped in the passenger seat, bro.
Yeah.
I be getting nervous.
It does. It gets nervous.
You guys see the pressure, what is it called? Precipitation?
Precipitation. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need a... Oh, my God.
Banging them ears, bro. Yes, sir. It's gnarly, dude.
This thing is gnarly. That's why I've seen your reaction videos.
Yeah.
And now I know why their faces why they were.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. All done on the same tire, so it's just spinning, you know?
Yeah, you definitely you need like a thicker tire.
Right, yeah, right. I'm telling people, bro. I'm telling people.
You need a thicker tire.
Like, because like you gotta shift to keep the boost up, you know? So like when I'm shifting and I'm banging them, it's like just instant, already going into a spin. So it's like,
the motherfucker was spinning the whole
time, and I was just like driving it, you know. And that, like you said, with Mustang, like you stay in it, it's gonna kill you. Like right now, I was in it the entire time, and I was just keeping it straight.
And that's what I think of, because I know at any second, one false little move,
yeah,
that motherfucker's like
gone. Yeah.
Oh, so you changed the maps right there?
Yeah, on cruise control.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you have like a preloaded map set, you can keep it on there, and then like on the laptop, you know, and then you have like a set, and then like you go back to get tuned, and you have a set.
Right.
Yeah.
This thing is no joke.
It's nuts, man. It's crazy out here. Like, you see what I mean now with these?
Oh, you need those.
You see what I mean?
You need those, bro.
Yeah.
You need any type of safety you can get.
Yeah.
Seriously.
It's wild out here, and that's the thing. Until I take someone for a ride, like I took Manny for a ride, and then a lot of other people for a ride, they're like, oh my god, like you ain't fucking around when you say you spin. Because people are probably like, when I race, I'm like, nah, I'm spinning, you know, and they're like, this motherfucker's spinning every time.
Excuses.
I'm like, yeah.
Nah, he ain't lying, bro.
Yeah.
You
Wait
can
a
tell by my
second.
damn face.
Yeah.
This motherfucker's on ice.
Right. Exactly.
That's respect right there, bro.
Yeah,
because
it's crazy. Yeah.
that shit ain't easy to keep fucking going at high speeds like that.
It's not, dude.
Not just like skill wise.
Yeah.
But in your head, bro.
Yeah.
Knowing that if you make one false move,
It's over.
It's over, bro.
Yeah, it's done. That's it. Exactly. And you're responsible for that shit, you know?
Yeah. Like holy shit.
And it's crazy. Like, and then look at the temps right now, 180. I'm chilling, bro. This car is just built to go.
2 seconds later.
Did I just break something?
Huh?
Did I just break something?
Did you?
Maybe.
Does it sound like it?
Sounds like it's driving fine. Sounds like it's coming from the back of the car or the front of the car?
That sounds like the back. Like that little noise it's making right now.
It's probably the louver. What does that sound like? RPM dependent. Oh, that's GoPro. Maybe the diff broke in.
Think so?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
That's the race car life.
That's what happens, bro.
Cars, man.
Hey, dog, that's what happens, dude. It's just part of the game.
Part of the game.
Part of the game, man.
You gotta be built for it.
I think it's
Sounds
knocking. I just blew my motor home.
Did you?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
I don't know.
It's built.
Hopefully something just fucking came loose.
We're gonna see how far we can make it.
It's still driving, like.
Yeah. I don't know if there's oil pressure though. But but remember how I was over boosting?
Yeah.
Alright, boys. We blew the Z up. Oh no, with Louie in the car.
I don't know. I don't know too much about, all the internals and stuff, so the sounds of these. So I don't know, man.
Sounds like it's knocking, guys.
Let's hope not. That's all I can say is let's hope not.
We're out here though.
It made a weird sound.
It's making a constant sound on RPM. We're gonna find out. But guys, it is what it is. Like I was telling Louie, like it is what it is. It's part of the game. Sometimes shit like that just happens, and you just gotta take it like a fucking champ and take that shit on the chin and keep going. So it is what it is, and it's gonna come back way stronger if that is what it is. So we're gonna find out.
If that is the case too, it went out doing what it was built to do, man.
Yeah, exactly. And this guy gonna get a lot of views. I'm gonna tell you that. I hope so. You better run the views up.
Yeah, you guys better run them views up, man. If my boy D9 just broke the goddamn engine for you guys, man, run them views up, man.
Run it up.
Hit that like button, subscribe, all that.
No shit.
This boy was going crazy.
Alright, boys. Louie's here.
Is it done with?
It's done, G. You hear that? Knock, knock. Hello? Hello? Oh, man. It's done. You hear that? sometimes, bro. Happens.
It's life, man.
It's life, bro. And I know there's a lot of beef right now in the Z game about tuning and blowing motors up and stuff like that. That shit's gonna happen regardless. This thing lasted so long of me just beating on it too. But I mean, once I did stuff to it, I mean, dude, you just gotta think it's gonna happen regardless. But listen to it, she's knocking. It's over, so. We gonna still get a video with Louis right now on his car, but we're gonna change this into a whole video about my car because I have a whole like clips of me driving right now and all that stuff. So we gonna end this one right here. The Z blew up. Louis here is, he wasn't driving.
Thank you for letting me driving, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate
You're good,
that.
bro. Hey, you're good. Hey, just, he wasn't driving just so you guys are gonna be like, oh, Louis blew it up, you know?
Yeah.
A-Rod, hey, don't you get any type of sayings now, bro, because it happened to 2 people, but hey, it is what it is. But before, this is gonna be D-Snides signing out for a little bit. And make sure you guys like the video. I'm turning this thing off because I don't want to hear it no more. It's sad. But like up the video, boys. Come on now. You guys gotta like and subscribe. We're going up from here. We just hurt the car really bad. I do this for you guys. If you guys support me, subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help out so much.